Praise Lord. The purpose of this video is to convert this image of Songs of Zion Kannada into HTML file. Let us begin with this. Firstly, you will be given this particular file. This file has all the requisites to convert this particular image into as a HTML file. The song will be located here. All of the songs are located in this drive. Open and paste this, and this
That is the drive link.
So that is the drive link, and here you can browse or you can type a song name or song number, song 9, and also you can use so here is this download, and this is by default in download folder. Now all the thing now there are multiple websites where we can convert this into OCR, but before that I want you to look at this form. If you can fill this form, and that's more than enough. Copy, paste. So this is the form that you'll have to fill. Song in HTML, that image to HTML. Song title, which the only thing that you'll have to type. This song Kannada title, you can grab it from the text that you convert, and the book name is the index, Bible index, and this also will be there. You'll just have to select from the drop down. Song category is here, which I will be showing it. You'll have to consider this to select this. Praise is Kirtanagalu. If you can look at your book, it will be there. The song book basically.
Now you tell which are the sites which has to be opened.
Yeah, song number alpha index is this. We will go to the other sections. Firstly, once the song is downloaded, you'll have to visit any of these websites. The first website, I think you'll have to give much higher priority because I've been using it. I didn't find any difficulty. Click it. This here, select image. The one that we have downloaded is this. You'll have to check this and then extract. Once this is extracted, click. Now we will have to edit this. To edit, what I suggest is this website. You can use any of this, but I suggest this. Copy and paste it here. Now remove everything, mostly on the top, all the numbers, and basically what we're trying to do here is trying to format this and also convert into HTML, basic HTML. Now if you can see, you please refer this songbook for formatting, and we'll have to bold this, and also these are not necessary. Take this out.
Give a line spacing on top.
Line spacing
between the song numbers and kirtan. Yeah.
Okay. This. So basically refer to the book that you have.
So basically do some cleanup work. Do cleanup work and ensure that the line spacing, letter spacing are all standard. Indenting for each line. Remove all unwanted space. Say about 2, you can remove that space. Second stanza. Between first and yeah. Okay. Okay, fine. Alt enter.
Alt enter.
Sorry, wait.
Just enter.
Shift enter.
Shift enter. So once this is done,
no, now you have to get this thing right. Yeah.
So I give 4 spaces and that kind of aligns after space here. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Okay.
So this is still not wrapped with actual HTML. The file that we get here is a little raw. This will have to convert into actual HTML, for which I use this. This is already here. I suggest open a notepad. You don't use this.
Open a new notepad.
Yeah.
And copy
here,
this code over there.
Yeah. So copy and paste the code here. Paste the song here in between this. And don't touch any of this. It will mess up with the alignment or basically the UI of the song. So this is HTML. Copy and paste it here. Don't worry about formatting anything here, so it doesn't really matter a lot.
So just paste between, paste below and paste above. In this gap it has to be done.
It has to be done.
Okay.
Yeah. Then control A, control everything.
Copy everything.
Yeah, copy everything. Now go back to the form. Yeah, so this is the first thing that we have to do. Insert HTML and song title.
Just insert it as it is, right? Just as copy from there and insert it.
Insert it is there. You can format here, but don't touch anything here.
Just copy and paste it here and leave it, and then go to the next tabs.
Yeah, and also here, don't touch anything. It is very important not to touch anything.
Okay.
And English title is the very first line.
So you have to read it and then put it in English, just the first 2-3 letters.
Correct.
So Yehova Nanna Kuruba over here.
Yehova Nanna Kuruba. And then for Kannada, don't worry, just copy it from here. And book name, check.
It's there in the song itself.
There in the song itself.
It's here, Kirtanagalu.
Kirtanagalu. That is Book of Psalm.
So you'll have to put the English version.
English version. Category, told you, refer this.
But how do you know which category it comes under? You'll have to go to the book, right?
You'll have to go to the book.
Vijay, you put the song numbers here.
Song numbers here also. Okay. I'll basically put song numbers here also, so we don't have to browse a lot. But if I have, so Kirtanagalu, okay, the song number which we have now is song number 9. If you can look at this index, we can look at this index 1 to 68 is Kirtanagalu. It's pretty visible. So I'll have to choose Psalms. Psalm. Book name is Psalm, and category is what I was showing. This is also Psalm. Song number is 9, and alpha.
Okay, if the numbers are individual, you just put single, is it, or 009? How do you want it?
Single,
just the single.
Just the number. Yeah. Okay. Just the number. And Yehova Nanna Kuruba starts with Yah. It's not here, but for now we'll do this. Yeah, and then submit. Once you submit, I will put it in the database.
Then click on submit another response for the next song.
For the next song. Yeah. This is it. May God help you.